If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer is partially yes. So if you go to the Google Messages app, in here, if you go into any of your chats and if you select a message that you want to remove and then tap on this trash icon, then over here we have this message that this action cannot be undone. So in this case, if you remove individual messages, this action is permanent, and once they are deleted, they are gone forever. So it is not possible to recover them. However, if you try to remove a whole chat, then this chat is moved to trash. And in this case, we do have the option that allows us to recover the conversation. You can tap on your Google profile in the upper right corner, and we can go to trash over here. There we go. Here we have our conversations. You can tap on this clock icon with an arrow in order to recover every conversation, every chat that you have in here, or you can just tap on those chats that you want to recover and then use that icon to recover only selected conversations. And that is pretty much it for now. And unfortunately, so you can see that individual messages cannot be recovered, but perhaps in the future there is going to be an option to do so, because previously there was no option at all to recover any messages, whether it was actual message or a whole conversation or whole chat. It was not possible to recover it, but recently it was added. The feature was added that allows you to recover chats. So maybe it's going to be the same thing in the future with messages. Leave a like and subscribe.